We are so excited to be here this morning. The Park Authority is thrilled that the Friends of Frying Pan decided to make NASCOW an annual event. Of course, it premiered in COVID and was a crowd pleaser. We knew that we had to do it again in 2021.
All right, here we go. We're at the 2021 Frying Pan Farm Park NASCOW race. It looks like Rain is first out of the first gate. Rain, a Shorthorn or Hereford Angus cross. Oh, and Maribel though, sprinting ahead. Uh-oh though. Oh no, we've got Evie. Evie, no, she's slowing down. She's slowing down. Who's going to be first over the line? It is Evie's first over the line.
It was an exciting race today. We doubled the length of the race from last year, so that was exciting. And Evie, one of our biggest cows, she came in first place. So today for NASCOW we had 9 contestants. These are some of the resident cows here at the farm. So we had 2 calves plus the 7 moms. To prepare the cattle this week, we've been working with them. We picked up some extra brewer's grain, which is left over from the beer making process. And again, it's kind of like a sweet treat. And so that helps them kind of, get motivated. And then we put numbers and painted them for identification the day before the race.
Frying Pan Farm Park is such a wonderful community asset. It's a continuation of active farm activities, which were so prevalent in Fairfax County only a few decades ago. So it's really important for families especially to be able to bring kids here and see what life was like on a farm, on a real farm.
We have 135 acres here, a working farm, equestrian facilities, hiking trails, cultural resources to get in. We love to say that Frying Pan has something for everyone. Frying Pan gets by with help from their friends. I love to think of that song when I think of the Friends of Frying Pan. But the Friends of Frying Pan, they provide immense support here to the park. They actually own all the animals here on the farm, take care of them with their feed bills, with their vet bills, but they also provide support to the total park operation. The Park Authority is eternally grateful for all the support that we receive from our friends, from our community, and we just cannot say thank you enough. We want you guys to come to Frying Pan Farm Park, come visit us, and come explore the other 420 parks with Fairfax County Park Authority.